have my mic on. Was it you? If that was you, I'm gonna kick you. Guys, that was just a mistake. But now let's go to the basics. And now, which world are we in? I have just released a new channel today. So I am posting this video on my new channel. So if you want to look about my new channel, then you can just look from the description. And now, today let's go to the basics. Hollywood! So guys, do you know what are we going to read today? Yes, computer. And what topic are we going to read today? Yes, we are going to read multimedia technology. So, do you know about multimedia? If you don't know, I'll give you the concept. The computing carried out by the personal computers during the middle of the 20th century was based only on text and was suitable for routine tasks such as word processing and calculations. This type of computing came to be known as monomedia. But over the years, the computer of new technologies have emerged and changed the way of computing. This new technology uses a computer delivered electronic system that allows the user to control, combine, and manipulate different types of media, such as text and sound, video, computer graphics, and animation. Collectively, this new technology came to be known as multimedia. As you can see, here is the picture of galaxy. But actually, I'm going to tell you about a look to future. Now let's look into the future. Let's learn about computer booths. We are used to telephones in boxes or booths on street corners. One day, computers would be as widespread. Computer booths could provide you with all the input and output devices you need. Go into any booth, insert your disk, scan in your photographs, print out your documents. Payment is automatic. From money stored electronically on your disk. But be quick, other people are waiting. One day, we are hoping to use computer booths. Someday. Guys, I'm acting weird, but now let's go to the basics. Now let's learn about the advantages of multimedia. Multimedia reduces training costs and also makes learning easier, attractive, and effective. Multimedia can be used in classrooms or workplaces as training tools and allows the trainer to provide higher quality lessons. The students can hear and see the subjects that they are learning about and bring it to life through technology. Multimedia provides high quality video images and audio. Multimedia offers system portability. You have learned about the advantages of multimedia, and now let's expand your horizons. Expanding your horizons. Hypermedia is an extension to what is known as hypertext, or the ability to open new web pages by clicking text links on a web browser. Hypermedia extends upon this by allowing the user to click images, movies, graphics, and other media apart from text to create a non-linear network of information. The term was coined by Fred Nelson in 1965. If you don't know who is Fred Nelson, I'll show you the picture. Actually, he is not Fred Nelson, he is Tate Nelson. My book has written the mistake. Sorry about that for saying Fred Nelson. Okay? So you have learned about the multimedia technology. Now let's read the elements of multimedia. Multimedia is a media that uses content in different forms. The five major elements of multimedia include text, audio, graphics, animation, and video. Now let's go to another section to learn about different elements of multimedia. Let's learn about text. Text is the basic element of multimedia. It involves the use of text types, sizes, colors, and background color. It is used to give directions and communicate information. Text-based menus and buttons help guide users through the multimedia application. Text can be combined with other media to present information. Let's learn about audio. Audio is sound within the acoustic range available to humans. This may include speech, audio effects, ambient sound, and music. It is the only medium that can accurately provide information such as the heartbeat or the sound of the ocean. Let's learn about graphics. Computer graphics are graphics created using computers and the representation of image data by a computer, specifically with the help from specialized graphic hardware and software. It includes drawings, scanned photographs, and images. It helps in making the concepts more clear through illustrations and charts. For example, in a multimedia application, a photograph of a horse along with its textual description makes the illustration much more effective. Let's learn about animation. Animation is a series of images that are displayed in rapid succession, giving the illusion of movement. In multimedia, digital animation is used. Digital animation can be categorized into two broad areas: 2D, two-dimension, and 3D, three-dimension animations. It is especially useful for illustrating concepts that involve movement. Concepts such as playing a guitar or hitting a cricket ball are difficult to explain using a text or a single photograph. Animation makes it easier to portray these aspects of the multimedia application. Let's learn about video. Video provides a powerful impact in a multimedia program. Video deals with the recording and display of a sequence of images at a reasonable speed to create an impression of movement. It is an excellent way of conveying the message to the user in a very limited time. It is very useful for illustrating concepts that involve movement. So I hope you have learned all types of elements of multimedia. Now let's go to the basic multimedia requirements. Yes, it needs proper requirements to use multimedia technology. Now we are going to read that. First, I'm going to read in the standard way, and the second I'll tell this in the easy way. So before telling the requirements, let's learn what is multimedia computer system. A multimedia computer system is a computer equipped with special hardware and software that makes multimedia possible. Multimedia computer systems require the following components: 120 MSZ Intel Pentium processor or equivalent, audio only, 16 MB of RAM, 28.8 kbps modern, 16-bit sound card and speakers, 65,000 color video display card video, Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows 2000 Me, final release version only, or Windows NT 4.0 with Surface Pack 4, IE 4.0.1 or Netscape 4.0 or later. So I think you have learned about the multimedia requirements in standard form. So I'll tell you in easy form. Faster CPU for quicker processing, larger storage devices for storing large data files, larger main memory for running programs with large data size, super VGA monitors with high resolution for displaying graphics, animation, and video, and sound card and speakers to play any audio associated with a multimedia application program. Here are the most commonly used software for creation of graphics, animation, etc. They are CorelDRAW, Microsoft Publisher, Flipperclip, Animaker, and last but not the least, Beyond. If you didn't understand from the previous topic, then turn off the captions. Again, I said turn off the captions. I said turn on the captions. Guys, I'm going to wrap this scene because I'm not going to make any more scene because look here, it is already night, so I don't have more time to read areas of multimedia and virtual reality and key concepts and tricky terms. So I'll read it on the next part, and for this part I'll make part 1. And then I hope you have watched my very first video on my second channel. And now you will already know that this video has been published on my newest channel called Anjan Katuwal Plus. So if you like my channel, then hit that like button and subscribe to my channel right here, so you don't want to miss newest videos ever. So this is the end of the video, and also subscribe to my old channel and subscribe to my new channel too. So I'll see you soon on next episode. Adios. Guys, I'll not make this outro. I have a new outro for this channel. Let's go.